Hey guys, today we are going to do this beautiful resin pendant. And these earrings. So let's get started. Well, the materials that we require are some colored aluminium wire, and these are crystals, and we need a couple of shells and some glitter. We need an acrylic bead, ear wire, and 2.5 mm beads. Some iridescent flakes, we call them as mylar flakes, iridescent film, mixing cup, and part 1 and part 2 resin, some pliers, and B6000 glue. Okay, now I have made one of the earrings. So I'm going to take a 15 centimeter wire. Here, 15 centimeter wire. I'm going to start off winding from this edge, and so hold it and then keep going around. So since this is going to be in the front, so we want to stick to the glue at the back. And we're going to let that dry. Let's say 20 centimeter wire. So going to fold and put it through this bead. So we have this wire this way, one wire in the front and one at the back. And we make a small loop. And same way we're going to do it on the other side. Kind of have it in the opposite side. And this is going this way, this is coming that way. And keep it like this, so we kind of secure it on both the sides. We need the V6000 again. Front and back. We're going to let that dry. Well, now that this is done, so all you need to do is put one of this bead So that's pretty much it. a little quantity of part 1 and part 2 resin, and so we're going to mix that up. Go for green. I just need a tiny bit. I mainly use printer ink, whiteboard marker ink, and I also have some pigments which I'll be showing you little later on. And I'm planning to do a video on pigments. So I'm going to let this sit so it gets a little bit sticky, and then I'll get back. Okay, so I've just added a tiny bit of glitter. I'm going to add some more. Mix that up. So I'm just going to put a layer of the resin. You don't want too much. At this point I'm going to add some of these stones. Now I'm just going to add some of these iridescent flakes. I've added some of these iridescent flakes, and I'm just going to go coating over it. You could add more glitter. Well, I have mixed up some more resin along with the glitter and mylar mix, and now what I'm going to do, this color was already in there, and I'm just going to add a little bit of blue. We're going to add a little bit of this mix in here, and I'm going to let that sit. I'm going to add a little bit more of green. And give it to the border. You can just go ahead and add few more crystals if you want, and add some more glitter to it. You can add some more glitter to the earrings as well. I'm going to add a few more stones. I'm just going to top it off with some stones. This has cured fully. this is it, guys. It's dry right now, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. There are so many artists who have done this kind of jewelry on the net, but I just wanted to add some seed beads and wire wrapping and use a different coloring to see how that turns out. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to support my channel, and I will see you in the next one pretty soon. Bye bye.